Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Walkstars and I'm back with another super cool behind the scenes video. Today we are going to be talking about the Stream Elements merch store. I finally got some product in from the merch that I made and I'm happy to share it with you, and I gotta say it kind of blew my expectations out of the water. It was way better than I think I was expecting, but I don't know why my expectations were so low. I think I've just been burned so much in the past that I was just stoked when it came in and it was good. It took a bit longer than I expected, but that's okay. We're going to get into all of that in just a little bit. If you're come by the channel, welcome to the show. My name is Walkstars. I'm trying to get 2 videos out a week, but I stream every single Tuesday over at twitch.tv/Walkstars. The link is in the description. Pretty close to affiliate, so if we can make that happen, that'd be fantastic. So, talking about merch. It was one of those things that I kind of always wanted to do, but I never really knew how to do it. But fortunately, Stream Elements made it really easy. Like way easier than I could have possibly imagined. So I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to head over to the Stream Elements merch store. I'm going to show you how you can create your own streaming merch, or merch for your stream. And we'll show you what I did and how I did it. And then we're going to go over some of the products that I got in the mail finally from my Stream Elements store. So let's head over to there. So first things first, you're going to be here on your Stream Elements webpage here on your dashboard. So if you haven't already signed up to Stream Elements, you should absolutely do that. It's been really great. I've got my chat bot here, which is, I believe, where I've got my tipping page set up and whatnot. It's really great. It's really simple to do. So what you do is you go into your merch and you go into managing your merch. And so as you can see, I've gone ahead and created a whole bunch of merch that's already on my store that you can purchase if you'd like. So what you do, it's so simple. You go into create new item. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and get this guy out of the way because this is kind of in the way. Besides, you already know all this stuff. I don't have to explain that to you. I'm going to go into upload artwork because I've got some pre-made art that I've done, which has been on all of my things. Now you can go ahead and create all of these items. The things that I've done so far, I've done mugs, I've done t-shirts, I did a mouse pad, a kiss cut sticker, I did a zip up hoodie, a regular hoodie, a double XL mouse pad, and a tank top, and a couple of phone cases too. So what we're going to create today is we're going to do a women's cropped hoodie. These have been relatively new, added to the things that you can create. So let's go ahead and create a cropped hoodie. So it brings up the design here. Maybe I'll just get my face out of the way. Let's get that up to here. Brings us up here, and then I'll just say, hey, I want to upload a design that I've made. We'll do this one, stay cozy. And oh look, it's right there on the shirt. But I don't like where it is. I don't like where it's placed. So I'm going to hop over to the design. And I'm going to make this a color that I can see better. Unless I go like... See, I can make it a little bit bigger. I can change where it sits. Unfortunately, they only give you a small area to work with. But I can change where it sits in that space. You can change the different ones. And eventually, I think their idea or their hope is to also be able to put things on the back. And it costs an extra $5 for the customer, but it lets you do things on the front and the back. So that's not there yet, but it will be coming shortly, or so they assure. So you've got different colors that you can make it. I'm just going to go with, say the black, the gray, and I guess the peach, because I like those colors, but I want only those colors. So I'm going to go over here, get rid of that one, and get rid of the storm. So now it's available in these 3 colors. Click save. While you're making the item on your Stream Elements merch shop, you can change the name of it, whether it, in this case it just says the Walkstars cropped hoodie. I'm going to change it to the Stay Cozy cropped hoodie. So Stay Cozy cropped hoodie. And if I'm being perfectly honest, so the thing kind of timed out. I think it's still sort of They might still be working through some kinks, but if you're a little bit patient, it will work. So stay cozy. So we're just going through this process again. Design. Let's make it a color where I can actually see the space that I'm working with here. There we are. It's about there. And then I'm going to go back to details, make it available in the colors that I want. Not dust and not storm. And I'm going to go ahead and so we click save. Now normally, give it a bit of time, it'll just show up here and eventually it'll be right here on your Stream Elements merch store. Now, like I said, the items that I purchased were the Daily Grind mug, the Stay Cozy Zip Up hoodie, the Drink Some Water XXL gaming mousepad. And I bought a sticker as well, the Kiss Cut sticker, which I put on my work mug, and I see it every single day. So, why don't I show you some of those products? So the first one I want to show you is my Drink Some Water XXL gaming mousepad. Now this thing is huge. I've been working with for the last while, and if you've seen any of my tabletop videos, or I've been lucky enough to play Magic with you online via Spell Table, I've been working with essentially basic playmat size. It's upside down. I've been working with a mat on my desk the size of a playmat, and it's great. It's been perfect. It's big enough. It's way bigger than I could have possibly imagined. Until this guy came in the mail. Now this guy is absolutely gigantic, bonkers big. So much value, so much neoprene. Just to show you how big it is, things might get shaky, but it goes from all the way over here. Here's one end, and here's the edge of my desk, by the way. Edge of my desk is right here. All the way across to here, which is where my laptop is currently positioned. I'll be posting up a new photo of my setup soon, because frankly I've made some upgrades and I'm really stoked about it. And it pretty much covers the whole depth of the desk too, from here all the way to the back, which you can't even really see because my other monitor is sitting on top of a support right now. But it is absolutely massive. It's big, but it's clean, it wipes easy. It's honestly more than I could have expected, more than I could have hoped for in a desk mat. And it reminds me to stay hydrated. It reminds me to drink water whenever I'm sitting here for too long, whether that's producing or streaming or any of that fun stuff. Another great thing that I ordered, I mentioned twice already I think, is the Our Daily Grind mugs. Now these are just some basic enamel mugs, same size as Diner. We'll use my hand for scale. Basic Diner size mugs. They're not huge, they're not mega mugs or anything, but they're nice. They came out clean, the printing is clean, it didn't wash off whenever I washed the mug. It's great, I use it every day. I've brought it to work and it's great. And now I'm here to show off for you. We're done with the tabletop stuff. I'll show you how I get the shot eventually. It's pretty cool, kind of inventive. But what I was most concerned about was the sweater. But I'm proud to say that the sweater is one of the most comfortable sweaters I've owned in a very long time. Check this out. I'm a pretty tall guy. I don't know if you can hear me. If you can hear me, great. If you can't, I'm sorry. But I'm a pretty tall guy. And this sweater actually fits me in the arms. And that's more than I could possibly ask for. The writing came out nice. It's cozy and soft on the inside. It fits my torso. The zipper is nice. The hood fits well, I guess, if you're looking for a hood. It fits, it's comfortable, it's cozy, and I now feel incredibly good about promoting merch bought from Stream Elements. Now, obviously, I haven't tried merch from other places yet, but if you're looking to support a streamer or your streamer trying to get some merch out there, this is a great way to do it. The only downside that I saw was that it took a long time for it to get here. I think I placed my order at the end of August, and it only started arriving mid to late September. So 2.5 to 3 weeks shipping. But considering that they're printing it to order and they're shipping it to order, that's a pretty good deal. That's pretty fast. And so if you've got a little bit of patience and you want to support your channel or your favorite streamers, encourage them to get a Stream Elements merch store. I can say that it's great. And if you want to support what I'm doing, it's a great way to support the stream, short of just straight up donating money, which I feel really weird doing. But in any case, my name is Walkstars. This has been another behind the scenes video where today we talked all about the Stream Elements merch store and just how easy it is to get up and going. In fact, it's still creating my items, so sometimes that takes a little bit of time. But if you like what I'm doing here, hit that like button, and maybe, hopefully, I'll see you in chat over on Twitch. I stream every Tuesday night from 5 p.m. P.S.T. to 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, which works out to be about 8 to 11 Eastern Standard Time, which I understand is easier for some folks. Anyway, drink some water and have yourself a great day.